VR headsets for PC have become incredibly popular in recent years by offering a thrilling escape from reality into immersive worlds. And with just a quick plug and play setup, you can start exploring without any hassle by turning your computer into a gateway to new exciting experiences. So hey there VR enthusiast, ever wondered which VR headset is the ultimate choice for PC gaming? Well, get ready for an exciting journey, and today we are exploring the top 5 VR headsets that will take your gaming experience to a whole new level. Starting at number 5, we have the Meta Quest 2, and it is the most affordable VR headsets on our list. The Meta Quest 2 is perfect for those who are new to VR or on a budget, and despite its lower price, it doesn't compromise on quality at all, and it offers a resolution of 1832 by 920 per eye and a 90Hz refresh rate, which provides clear and smooth visuals. What makes the Meta Quest 2 special is its versatility, and you can use it as a standalone headset or connect it to your PC for more powerful experience. And it also has a large library of games and apps, so you will never run out of the things to do. And with a price tag of just $299, it's a completely a steal deal. Moving on to number 4, we have the PlayStation VR 2, and it is the best VR headset for gaming overall. If you are a PlayStation fan, then this one is completely for you. The PSVR 2 is designed specially for the PlayStation 5, and it offers a stunning graphics and seamless integration with your favorite PS5 games. With its 4K HDR display and 110-degree field of view, the VR 2 delivers an immersive gaming experience like no other. And its new Sense controllers provide haptic feedbacks and adaptive triggers, making your gaming experience even more engaging. Plus, it is super comfortable, so you can game for hours without any discomfort, and it is priced at just around $549, making it an excellent choice for console gamers looking to dive into the world of VR. At number 3, we have the HTC Vive Pro 2, which is known as the best VR headset for work and play. The Vive Pro 2 offers a perfect balance of quality and affordability. With its modular design, it allows for future upgrades and ensures your headset stays current with the latest technology. And it also features a 5K resolution of 4896 by 2448 combined resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, which delivers clear and smooth visuals, and you will see everything with stunning clarity. And it's perfect for intense gaming session and even for professional tasks like VR designs and simulation. The Vive Pro 2 is compatible with a wide range of accessories, and while the price is around $799 for the headset alone, the investment is worth it for those seeking high-resolution VR experiences. Coming at number 2, we have the Volvo Index, the best premium VR headsets for PC. This one is a beast, and if you are looking for a top-tier